Today we're going over my top 3 free, that's right, free piano VSTs that you can add to your collection today. Let's get it. Aloha Gang, welcome back. You're here because you want to grow your mixing and production skills, so good on you. Before we start, I just want to say thank you to those of you who've been reaching out, giving me words of encouragement, asking questions. I appreciate it more than you guys even know. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Alex. I'll be putting up 3 videos a week, so make sure you subscribe. All right, let's stop screwing around and get to it. So I'm always on the hunt for new plugins, and though a lot of companies offer free goodies, how do you know which ones to load? Are you going to clutter up your computer with garbage, inevitably having to clean house and start over? No! That's why you got me. I went through lists and lists, and I tried over 15 of these free piano plugins, and I have my pick of the top 3 that will get you sounding like Mr. Duke Ellington himself. Also, stick around to the end because I'm going to show you how to load up the VST and AU files into your system. All right, coming in at number 3, I feel like I'm at a countdown award show or something. Coming in at number 3, we have the Key Zone by Bitsonic. This one is super cool because it comes with 5 different piano presets, including a Rhodes, Yamaha, Steinway. What? It also has a number of advanced settings as well, including attack, decay, sustain, release. Some of my favorite settings on there are the onboard reverb and detune. I know my lo-fi peeps are gonna love this one. All right, let's jump on in and take a listen. Okay, so I made a short loop so you guys can get a feel for the sounds. On this loop, I chose the Rhodes piano and the basic electric piano. So here's the loop. And it's really basic. I just have a trumpet sample, a drum loop, bass, and then everything else is the Key Zone. But let me solo it so you can get a better listen. That's the basic electric piano. Here's the Rhodes. And look at these sliders. You can mess with the LFO rate, the LFO depth for even more precision. So cool. Are you guys with me so far? Comment something random down below so I know you're following along. Coming in at number 2 is the Forefront Piano by George Young. I don't know how you did this, Georgie, but you're a genius. This one is unlike the Keystone Piano in that there's no settings. It only has one sound. It doesn't have a user interface. You just kind of drop it on the track and you're ready to go. The loop I chose is more minor on this one, and it sounds fire and lush. There's no extra plugins. It's just, let me see. Yeah, I don't even have an EQ on it. It's just the Forefront Piano. Take a listen. I could see this being a good go-to for any time you want true piano tones. Coming in at number 1. Oh yeah, number 1. I love this piano. It's called Soft Piano by Spitfire Audio. The samples were recorded at the world famous Air Studios, and they used a felt tip piano with high-end mics, and you can tell. It's free. It's so free. Labs has a bunch of cool plugins too if you want to expand your collection. The interface is super cool, super slick, and let me just show you. It has a few features on here. Looks like a reverb. Actually, I'm not even sure what these ones are. but it gives you a little bit of something to play around with. I love this one because it's super atmospheric and really intimate at the same time. You can come up with some smooth baby making music with this one. Check out this loop I came up with. I just have low octaves, higher octaves playing the chords, and then kind of a little top line here. And then just the bass and the drum loop. Right? It's free! All right, are you guys still with me? Good, because I'm going to show you how to load these free plugins onto your system. Okay, after you've downloaded the plugins and have them in your downloads folder, we need to find your VST folder. So to do that, you click on your hard drive, go into your library, double click on audio, and yep, you guessed it, plugins folder. Double click on that. Now you're going to find a bunch of folders in here. The ones we're going to focus on is components, VST, and VST3. Depending on which format comes with the free plugins, this one, for example, is keysoneclassic.vst. So take this file and you drop it into, since it says VST, you would drop it into the VST folder. If it was a VST3, you drop it in there. And if it was an AU, you would drop it into components. Restart your computer, you're good to go. If you guys didn't know, AU is a format that is exclusive to Apple and only works on Mac OS. VST is a format maintained by Steinberg and is cross-platform. So if you have both of them loaded on, they contain the same algorithm, so they will function exactly the same. So there you go. The more you know. All right, y'all, question of the day. How much did you spend on plugins last year? I probably dropped $450, which for me is a lot. I had to find deals and kind of save up throughout the year, but you know, it's a process, it's a journey to collect these babies that help us sound good. Let me know where you landed. If you guys found this video helpful, drop a like. If you're new to Ableton, I have 5 shortcuts that you need to know today. I'm gonna leave that right here. Follow me on Instagram at AlohaAlex, and I will see you on the next one. Aloha.